I don't know, but it smells fruity. It smells girly. It smells yummy. I love, oh, why am I smelling my mic? I found a way to charge my mic and my phone at the same time. Yes! Won't he do it? Won't he do it? I was just saying that's the devil that's trying to, make me not film this video when I know I should be filming these videos, okay? But look at God. He just came through and we just fixed it all up together. Through his strength. Okay, period. Amen. Anyways, yes, I'm trying to do this like a FaceTime type of video, okay? I have vertical right here and I have horizontal right here. I am filming for TikTok, Instagram, and I'm filming for YouTube, okay? So please bear with me, y'all. I'm just a girl out here trying to make it. So I think, I don't know. So shall we start with just the top? Okay, I'm gonna start just top to bottom. Sounds good? Okay. So, this was the first thing I pulled. I didn't even know that was up there. I didn't know that was up there. Ah! How gorgeous is this? YSL. It's so funny because the shipping box that they sent this in, it was like dangerous. Do not touch. And I was like, what? But it is the YSL Live Libre. So pretty. Gorgeous. Ooh. Gorgeous. Thank you, YSL. So I do want to spray it. Ooh, baby, she smells like a woman. Okay, so next up we have Living Proof. Ooh, love this. We have the Living Proof Curl Shampoo, the Curl Conditioner, and we have their, I think this is their dry shampoo. I think this is the dry shampoo. Oh my gosh. No. Yeah. Yes, the dry shampoo. Do use this dry shampoo on days that my hair is straight and it's very oily, which is a lot of the times. Next we have Pixi. We have Pixi perfumes. Pixi perfumes. I love this. Period. We have Pixi Fig, we have Pixi Rose, and Pixi Mimosa. Love it. Up next we have, what is this? This is Maybelline New York. Ooh. We have the Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Yes. I love this concealer. I just don't have it in my color. I only have it in like to brighten. But I do love it. Ooh. We have Clinique. Dear Jocelyn, we are so excited to share more about Clinique and our products with you. Best the Clinique team. Yes. What's in here? Ooh. This is the Moisture Surge. Excuse the shadows on me, y'all. Moisture Surge 100H Auto Replenishing Hydrated. It's a lot of words, but yeah. And I just got for Christmas, my neighbor just got me this Clinique Even Better, Dramatically Different moisturizer, and it looks like it goes so well with this, so I'm excited to try these together. Next, I already took these out the box because whatever. We have the Pacifica Glow Baby Serum. We have the Glow Baby Sea Foam. No, we have this Seafoam Complete Face Wash and coconut underarm deodorant in a white form. Okay. I always know Too Faced packaging. So this is the Life's a Fairy Tale. Oh, so pretty. This is the 2025 holiday collection. Too Faced packaging is so pretty. Ooh, love that. Pretty. Pretty packaging. Pretty packaging. Pretty packaging. Next we have Youth to the People. Is my mic still on? Mic check, mic check. Yes. Okay. Youth to the People. Sunscreen and the face wash. Yes, they're kale sunscreen and kale and green tea face wash. Another Pixie. How cute is this? Just have all their blushes. Pretty. We have another Pixie. Whoa. How cute. So we have Jocelyn's Glow Tonic. We have Glow Mist and Peel and Polish and the Glow Cleansing Gel. Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. This mist, y'all, is so good. It's like a oil and water based. I don't know. It's good. I love it. It just makes your skin look so fresh and like glowy. Oh, this is a go-to for drugstore like skincare. Up next we have Maybelline the Colossal, and that's just what it is, baby. The Colossal Mascara, regular and waterproof. Classic black. Yes, yes. This used to be one of my favorite mascaras in high school, and that was a long time ago. I done slap my mic away from me. Okay. Ooh, this is from this. Oh, this is Static Nails. You guys remember that whole debacle about the mansion party? Baby, go away. Ooh, they gave me like a Clueless pen. 5-in-1 nail treatment. And this is the Bruiser's Veil Non-Toxic Odorless Polish and Pop-On Nail Remover. Ooh. I love these colors. These are fire. These are fire. Oh my goodness. I love them. I'm gonna do a try on with all of these. Remind me, y'all. These Too Faced blushes, I'm excited. Look at these. Look at all these colors. I love Too Faced. Yes, I love this. It's like a little travel. It's like a little travel thing, travel package. This is what I'm using right now to like set my face or to freshen my face. I love this. These are the like the sprays that I use most. Pixie. This is heavy. In case of emotional overflow. What is it? Cleansing pads and micellar water. Ooh, how pretty is that? And I already smelled this. It smells so good. And this is a great freaking like reflector. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yes. Ooh, so pretty. Life's a Fairy Tale fragrance mist. I love anything pink, anything girly, y'all. I love it. Let's see what this smells like. It smells very fruity. Is it fruity? Is it fruity? I don't know. I don't know, but it smells fruity. It smells girly. It smells yummy. I love, oh, why am I smelling my mic? I love a good girly. It does not smell it doesn't smell florally, but it kind of does. But it doesn't smell like rose. It smells like, I don't know. We have 3 Pixie lip masks. 3 Pixie lip masks. Trying to film horizontal and vertical at the same time is stressful, y'all. I'm stressed out. I dropped it, but it's okay. I dropped it, but it's okay. Ah! It is blushes. You guys know I love me some blushes, and these colors, right up my alley. Right up my alley. Like, look at how they look right here. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna open them up in another video. Maybe we got some more Valentino, Born in Roma. And 2 more Valentino. I believe these are lip balms, yes. Wait, is this a lip balm too? I don't think this is a lip balm. What is this? This is this a lip balm? Because if it is, it doesn't say lip balm. It says like matte. I don't know. And 2 lippies from Valentino. I will be doing a full face of Danessa Myricks. I will be doing a full face. I will be doing a full face of Danessa Myricks. Don't even trip. Good Molecules brightening and dark spot bar. This came just in time because y'all can't see right now, but I've been, I don't know why, I have just been breaking out really bad on my arms, and I do think it's because my hair is getting longer. I do put oils and stuff. In my hair, and it does like go over my back and my shoulders, and I know all the oils mixed with my skin is just not a good combination. So I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to tell you guys how I like it, because I have a lot of dark spots on my arms. So you know, my girl Born This Way foundation, the OG. No, it's new packaging, but the OG Born This Way, baby. Have some lip stains type, yeah, lip stain pens. I'm gonna try these too and let you guys know how I like them. The Whip Foaming Cleanser and a Whip Cleansing Balm by Pharmacy, and it's papaya flavored. Danessa Myricks Liquid Blurring Balm. I'm definitely going to be doing a full face of Danessa Myricks and telling you guys how it works, because I've been seeing pores on my face, and that is a no-no, baby. So we're gonna try this. I'm excited to try this. And they sent 2 beauty puffers. Yes, I'm going to use this for my concealer and this for my powder. And they're brown. Next, more Pixie, the clarifying line. I love me some pimple patches, so these are going to come in handy. I have more from Too Faced. So these are like highlighters mixed, wait, what are they? They're multi-use highlighting skin enhancers. I like the sound of that. And these ladies are gorgeous. What? We're almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done. Another Too Faced package is the Super Coverage Concealer. My OG concealer. Love this down. And another Living Proof package. Ooh, pretty. This is their dry shampoo. Oh, High Shine Gloss. I love that packaging. Scalp Care Density Serum. That sounds good. Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo and Full Dry Volume and Texture Spray. I have been enjoying me some texturizing spray with my curly hair, with my straight hair, just to add more like tackiness to my hair. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. Okay, and last but not least, it's so funny, like the first one being Valentino and the last one being Valentino, I'm just like blessed. And I didn't plan it. I didn't plan it. Chill out. So we have Valentino and we have 2 fragrances that I was sent. We have the Born in Roma, the pink one. And we have the Born in Roma. Oh, this is the Born in Roma Donna. Isn't that like woman or something? I don't know. And Valentino. That's what I was saying, right? I was saying Valentino. I hope I was saying Valentino. Valentino Donna and Omo Born in Roma. I already have these. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. They look like this. They either look like this one either looks like this or like this. I'm not sure. It's one of these. I can read it right here. Hold up. I don't know. The black one is one of these, y'all. I can't tell you which one it is, but it's one of these, okay? So thank you guys for watching this unboxing. Let me know what your favorite thing was, and let me know what you guys want to see from me. Yeah, so that's it. Bye.